Go.
Okay, you put it in traverse to go operate control panel 2 to load the pipe and test the pipe. Once the pipe is loaded, you come back, put it in fill the pipe. You come over to your high volume pump, start it. That will fill the pipe. Once the pipe is full, this light will come on. Then you can come up here and go to test. Once you're in test, start the high pressure pump, start the test. Once that's started, you get your pressure readings here, and you can set it to where you want it to stop, full pressure. Once it reaches that pressure, it will stop the high pressure pump, and you will get this light saying that you have the full pressure. You leave it there for the amount of time that you want to test the pipe. When you're done, you put that in drain, you go to the high volume pump and you start it. That will actually drain the pipe back to the tank. Once that is done, well, you won't get a light, but you should be able to tell when it's completely drained. That should be that's this panel right here.
Okay, do you use this stop here at all?
Yeah, once the pipe is completely drained, you can stop it right there.
Or if it's full, you still use that to stop the pump?
Yeah, when it's full, you stop it there as well.
Okay. And these two up here?
This is purely just to drain the tank.
For future use?
For, yeah,
if you
future use. This light will show when your pipe is draining. Okay, so when you drain your pipe, that light should be going.
It stays on while you're draining the pipe?
It should stay on while you're draining the pipe. That should be this panel here. This is control panel 1.
Okay, now can you show us how you can set the pressure?
Okay, you go to your M button, press it one time, you go to your down button and you press it until you see SP1. That's set point 1, and it's already set up in standard where it needs to be. Press down again for your on set point. That's the pressure that you want to achieve. We put 600 psi for test.
If you want to change it?
If you want to change it, you just press up or down, and you can change the number values individually. Press M to go to the next number and change that value all the way through, and when you're done, it enters it in by pressing M. Press down one more time, your off set point, to where it turns the switch back off. You press M and you enter your number values the same way, up or down, and then press M to go to the next number. Cycle through until you're finished, and it enters the off value. We did it at 90% of the set point for the on value. So 600 is on and 540 would turn it back off. And this controls the high pressure pump, and it turns it on, or it turns it off when you reach your pressure. But you have to turn it back on manually over here. It will not turn it back on manually, or it will not turn it back on automatically. You have to start it again for the next test. When you're done entering your values, you press M, or you press up or down until you go back to the menu. Where it says menu, press M and return you to operating function.